Hi everyone, this video is for St. Thomas School Ranchi for class 8 physics, chapter number 8 electricity. This is the first video from this chapter. Under this chapter, the very first topic which we are going to see is electrical energy. Now before understanding electrical energy, we must understand what is electricity. So electricity is a form of energy that results from the flow of charged particles. Means that when a charged particle is going to flow in a conductor from one terminal to another terminal, then electricity is generated. Or we can say that electricity is a flow of electron around a circuit, and with the help of formula I, which represent ampere, is equal to Q by T. Q means total number of charges and T represents here time. So I is equal to Q by T. So as electron used to flow in a circuit from one terminal to another terminal, so here we can say that the energy made available by the flow of electric charge through a conductor is known as electrical energy. And electrical energy can be also represented here with the help of formula E is equal to E into T. E means electrical energy, E represents power, and T is time. And SI unit of electrical energy is joule. Further we can see here the next topic, that how electricity reaches our home from power station. There are many steps under this process, that how electricity which is generated at power station and from power station how it reaches to our home. So at power station electricity is generated which is of very high voltage. Further, when it reaches to our home, it converts that very high voltage into just 220 volt, and we are using it. So here you can see the diagram, normally a block diagram, that how electricity reaches our home from power station. So here you can see that electricity is generated at power station, then it goes to step up transformer. Means whatever the electricity was generated, further with the help of step up transformer, that voltage is increased for the transmission because it has to transmit for a long distance. Then again from step up transformer it goes to transmission of substation, that this is called as substation. From substation further it reaches to the distribution substation. Then again from the distribution substation, with the help of this transformer which is present here, it reaches to our home. So here you can understand that electricity is generated at the power station first, then it reaches to the city substation, then from the transformer further it has converted for our use at our home at the voltage rating of 220 volt. Then at our home we have an electrical meter which measures electrical energy which we are going to use. Further, in a circuit from electrical meter it reaches to the fuse box for our safety, and then from the fuse box it reaches to our different part of home. So this is how from power station electricity reaches to our home. Thank you everyone.